Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Heinz freshly made spaghetti. So this is part of a multi-pack. Take a look at what's in it. Just pause the video. Alright, so it says microwave in 2.5 minutes, but we're doing it in the pan. Alright, so it's not spaghetti, it's spaghetti hoops. A whole tomato squeezed into every portion. Low in sugar and made with pasta, blah blah blah. Let's see if it's low in sugar. So straight out the tin. Right. So I'm going to cook that up. This is a 400-gram tin, just in case you were wondering. How are you guys doing today? I'm always looking for an elusive spoon, which I found. Right. So, I'm not going to add anything to it, as you know. I'm just going to eat it straight as it is. I'll probably put some salt with it and vinegar later on. I'm going to pause this video and let it cook a bit. Alright guys, this is about done. As I say, you don't need to spend ages on the hob with this. It is pretty quick. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the usual tasting test, if I can ever see my face. It's gone overcast again today, but it's still warm. Right, so that's what it looks like. Right, you know that anyway, so. Right, okay. Somebody made a comment actually that says, "Oh, you don't seem to like any beans," and I said, "Yeah, I do actually." I said, "I like Aldi's own beans." Well, these Heinz, nah, nothing special at all. To be honest, I know they're only spaghetti tin, but there's nothing there for me. You guys be the judge. You know, I'm just putting it out there. I'll be honest, it's just my opinion, but they don't taste of anything special. Would I recommend that? No, I definitely wouldn't. No point paying top price for something. In fact, if anything, they could do a little bit of sugar, because what they've done is reduced all the sugar out of it. It just doesn't taste anything. I mean, I'm talking about overly sweet, like I think it was Liddell's. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. You guys were the judge. Appreciate you coming along. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next one.